we're excited to tell you that we've partnered with Adobe to create a version of Premiere Rush optimized for Galaxy smartphones. Adobe Premiere Rush puts a suite of powerful editing tools right on your phone. It supports DeX and HDR10+, and it delivers optimized graphics performance. Plus, it's really easy and intuitive to use, so you can edit and upload your videos without missing a beat. Just shoot a few stunning HDR10+ videos, cut them together on your S10, and share them instantly on social media. It is that simple. Now, we have a couple of special guests here today to tell you more about Adobe Premiere Rush. Their YouTube channel, Coisa de Nerd, was the first tech channel in Brazil to reach 1 billion views, so they know a thing or two, or more like a billion, about how to shoot and edit video. Please welcome to the demo stage Leon Martins and Nilson Moreto.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you to Samsung for inviting us back to Unpacked. I'm Leon.
I'm Nils, and we are a YouTuber from Brazil, and we've been working with Samsung for years now.
Yeah, all around the world, in Brazil, in Barcelona, in Seoul, and now in San Francisco.
Last April in Seoul, we had dinner with DJ Cole.
We told him how much we love our Galaxy smartphones, and we told him something that would make us love them even more: the ability to edit our videos straight from our phones.
The Galaxy series has the power to record some amazing videos.
We use ours to record videos for our YouTube channels all the time.
But when it's time to edit,
we always have to transfer the raw footage to our PC in order to have access to more advanced editing tools. Well, DJ listened to us that night, and now, with the all-new Adobe Premiere Rush for Samsung, we can edit from our smartphones. Rush brings powerful editing tools to Android, so we can trim our videos, do color correction, and even add titles on our phones, just like we can do on a PC. Today, we are super excited to give you a sneak peek of Rush on the Galaxy S10. Here is a project we just put together in the hotel room. Rush can quickly make edits. With Rush, we can quickly make edits on the go. With a suite of color correction tools, we can set the perfect mood for the video. And combined with the S10's amazing AMOLED display, we know for a fact that the colors we are editing will turn out just as we intended. Now, let's see how my story is coming together.
Don, let's share it.
Rush lets you share your videos to all your favorite social media channels from within the app itself. Editing videos on Galaxy will be easier than ever, thanks to Adobe Premiere Rush. We are excited to bring you Adobe Premiere Rush for Samsung later this year. I can't wait to see the amazing content you will create with the Galaxy S10 and Adobe Premiere Rush. Thank you.
Obrigada.
Até logo.
Thank you, Nilson and Leon.